Meanwhile, Mombasa Governor Hassan Joho would be re-elected as governor of Mombasa if elections were held today, according to findings from a survey by Infotrak, which also revealed ODM is still the favorite political party at the coast.
Well, according to the findings, Governor Hassan Joho of ODM has the most support, followed by Jubilee Party's Suleiman Shabhal. Mombasa Senator Hassan Omar is third, followed by his Wiper counterpart and current Nyali MP Hezron Awiti. Former MP Anania Mwaboza is fifth. Almost a quarter of the electorate in Mombasa are still undecided. Infotrak Managing Director Ambitho says the ground may shift depending on the circumstances.
The only things that may come in his way are some of the issues that are being reported right now. Those dynamics that may, mean that either he does not vie. I don't know whether that is really I don't know whether that's been confirmed or denied by his quarters. Then it would be interesting to see whether it is the second in the running, which is Suleiman Shabhal, who's running on a Jubilee ticket, would be popular, or whether the party in itself would pick up one of the candidates that they have, that is the ODM party, and pivotal that candidate.
Well, the same research indicates that the Orange Democratic Movement, that's ODM, is still the most popular party at the coast, followed by Jubilee Party. Wiper Democratic Movement is third, followed by Amani National Congress, ANC, and Maendeleo Chap Chap Party, a third of the electorate, are still undecided.
Releasing the poll results this afternoon, Infotrak's managing director, that is Ambitho, said that the opposition coalition Nasser is more popular but slowly losing ground to Jubilee Party.
NASA currently has 48% support, nearly 50% support. Jubilee has 24% support. And then there are about 6.5 who really don't know who they support, and 14% who said they don't support any of the parties.